Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I have a special treat for you today. In this video, I will show you the 8 easy steps, the secret revealed on how to open a padlock on camera. Okay, let's begin. Step 1. Carefully approach the padlock from behind and administer a Vulcan neck pinch. Gently lie it down. Step 2. With the padlock now humanely immobilized, place a cloth over the top. Step 3. Wrap up the lock and place in another room. Step 4. Set up your camera and be sure it has plenty of charge. Step 5. Press record. You can edit out the unwanted portions later. Step 6. By now the lock will have awakened. Retrieve the lock, pretending you were cleaning it. This will make the lock happy and relax. Step 7. Proceed to pick the lock. In its relaxed state, the lock should pose less of a problem. Once opened, do not celebrate. Gently place on the table. The lock will never know it was recorded. And there you have it, folks. The secret revealed, the 8 easy steps on how to open up a padlock on camera. Try this method and see if it works for you. All locks are paid actors and perform their own stunts. All locks signed waivers, and no locks were harmed in the making of this video. Happy New Year! Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!